Good morning, it's Katie Baccus with the Baccus Realty Group. I realized that I've never done a video on solar panels, and it is a really important and critical piece of the transaction when you are looking at buying a home with solar panels. So you definitely want to take a look and dig a little deeper and see if those solar panels are leased or if they're owned outright. If they're leased, you as the buyer will have to assume that lease agreement and that fee. You're definitely going to want to circle back with your lender and make sure that assuming that debt or that lease isn't going to affect your debt to income ratios, and it's not going to impact your qualification on the home. Similar to an HOA, when a lender is qualifying you for a home, if there's an HOA, they need to factor in that monthly HOA too, just to make sure that you qualify for the total amount, the total monthly amount. So first of all, yes, get with your lender, circle back, make sure that that is an option to assume that lease and that monthly payment. Another thing I've seen on a couple solar panel lease agreements, sometimes it's a set monthly fee and sometimes it's an escalated fee, meaning it goes up every single year. You just want to look at the pros and cons. Each lease agreement on solar panels is different, so you definitely want to make sure that you are going through the contract thoroughly, and also utilizing the solar panel representatives as a resource to answer all of the questions you have. Solar panels aren't terrible. I mean, you can absolutely save hundreds, if not thousands of dollars a year on them. You just want to make sure that you are really doing your due diligence on them and making sure that it is going to be advantageous for you and you are actually saving money versus assuming this lofty lease or debt. So I hope that helps. If I can help in any way, please feel free to reach out. Hope you have a wonderful week, and thank you for watching.